Welcome. I'm sure if you landed over here, it's because you're trying to figure out how to set your TSA lock. Quick explanation. We have different types of TSA locks. Usually we set up over here on the side or on the top of the luggage. In this case, it's on the side, and it's what we call a recessed TSA lock, as it doesn't stick out. So by default, it's set at 0, 0, 0. As you can see, it'll release it. So these are the factory settings. To change it to your own combination, you want to press down on this little button. You'll hear a click. Change your code. In this case, let's go with 1, 2, 3. At this point, you'll need to slide this over and you'll hear a click. That means your combination has been set. So in order to lock it, I'll need to put it at 1, 2, 3, insert the tabs, change the combination, and then I can no longer unlock it. I put it back to 1, 2, 3, the tabs will release. In order to reset your combination, you will need the current combination. Now that you've set your combination to 1, 2, 3, press down that button. In this case, let's put it to 999. And then you want to press this button. Your new combination has been set. At 999, the combination will open. I change it to any other combination. This does not move. As mentioned, most locks are made this way. Some of them will be not recessed and will be sticking out. In that case, that little button you want to press, this button will be on the side over here instead of being on the top. So you want to press that down, set your new combination, and then hit this button to set it. And that's it.